Hello everyone, I'm back with new rover project. So it's a Rover 5, it's a rover number 5. You can see it is a kind of a liquid tanker, or you can say the oil tanker, so sci-fi kind of oil tanker. So this one is from the substance. So I am showing you, like all other my rover project, the vehicles are coming with the three variations. This one is the dark metal, the first one. The middle one is the rover camouflage, and the final one is the rover march. So users can use this rover in according to the environment actually. So this is a sci-fi, you can say oil tanker, liquid tanker, whatever you can say. So this is fully ready for from the substance painter. You can see I'm using the same kind of material and the same kind of design actually for this, because this is I'm making a collection of them. So this is number 5. So as you can see, the 11 texture set are coming with this one also. So this vehicle are very enormous, huge vehicle. So yes, I will continue it in Unity and then the Unreal. So keep in touch with this video and keep watching, and support me. So this is from Substance. So I will continue it in Unity. So this kind of actually I'm building these vehicles because of I'm making a collection of heavy vehicles. Some kind of my intention is to make a research purpose vehicle collection. So this is imagine this is a marshland. It's a very far distance area from the far in a space, beyond in a space. So this is like find some kind of liquid metal or liquid substance that is very precious to humankind. So it's it's carrying that liquid. So the fourth one was the track, and this one is a liquid track actually, the liquid tanker track. So it's a sci-fi thing. Yeah, so I will continue it in Unity and then Unreal. So keep in touch, keep watching. Thank you. Okay, hi everyone. You are seeing Rover 5 from the Unity project. So this is fully ready for use in Unity pack. So you can see here. So I use a basic urban kind of abandoned HDR sky, and then a small plane to mimic the to get the feel for the environment. And here is the three rovers, the oil tanker. So here you can see the textures, all the textures. So this is HDRP, Unity HDRP. So you can see all the texture is here. The textures are 4K. I always prefer 4K texture. And then you can have here the materials. So 11 materials is coming together. So 11 materials are all together. 3 vehicle, 11 materials, texture set, whatever you're gonna call. Then we have prefabs. Okay, vehicle prefabs is here. So Unity users will get the 3 vehicle prefab. Like you can drag and drop any kind of vehicle like this. Okay, like this, whatever you need. And these vehicles are already collider attached, so you just need to drag and drop your these assets in your scene or in your project. So if I maximize the view, you can see a little bit better this one. So I use a little bit of post processing, a little bit of bloom and color correction and all that. So yeah, so you can see this is looking so nice actually. Okay, yeah, this is from the front side, left side or right side, and the back side. Okay, so this asset is fully ready for use in a Unity project. So you can use it in your existing project, or you can create a new project to use it. So this vehicle or this asset is very appropriate for a sci-fi kind of environment, exterior environment, and this is also very effective for making an RTS kind of game. But this is for the research purpose. These are not combat vehicles, but you can have a flavor of the combat, like the middle one is the camouflage one. So this can be used in a kind of storage kind of transport vehicle for materials or minerals or something like that. So if you need this asset, you just contact with me, or text me, or whatever you need. So it will be available in my asset store and ArtStation and my portfolio. So you just visit there, or you can contact, you can text me directly below that of the artwork that you need this one. So I'll be happy to share this asset with you. So this is the second part completed. So I will continue it in Unreal. So okay, one of the thing is all the textures you are seeing are 4K resolution actually. So this prefab ready and all the things, and you can get this with the Unity pack. So you can directly import in your Unity assets. So that's for from the Unity. I will continue it in Unreal. So keep watching. Thank you. Hello everyone, this is Rover 5 Part 3 from the Unreal Engine 5.3. So we're seeing here, I'm using mannequin for the size comparison with the vehicle. So these vehicles are huge, actually. They're big. So like the Unity, you will have texture folder, and all the textures are 4K, by the way. And you will have material. So 11 materials, like the Unity, 11 materials you will get, and also you will have the preset of the vehicle. So what you can do, it's a kind of I'm making this collection as a little bit of modular flavor as well. Let's say you want to add another wheel, let's say three-wheeler, you want a backside. I put two wheel, but you want to put another wheel set. So you can do that by adding these extra components. Okay. So there will be a little bit of independence of the users, that you can customize these vehicles, and also you have the three combination, the camouflage, the march, and the dark metal. So you can use them according to your needs. Okay. So here, if I can maximize the view, you can see a little bit better. Okay, I use basic post processing, like a little bit of exposure and a bloom, and also you can find a little bit of ambient occlusion and environment color correction, something like that. So you see, this pack is fully ready for using in Unreal Engine project. So you can use them in Unreal Engine big project, like a sci-fi scene. So it's this kind of asset is very appropriate for RTS setup as well. Like you can use them as an RTS unit coming from a building, a construction building, or something like that. So yeah. So if you need this asset, you just text me, and text me below, or you can contact with me, or you can go directly in my asset store, like ArtStation and CG Trade or something like that. Okay, I have the link. So yeah, or you can approach directly with me, that if you need this asset in your project, you feel free to contact with me. So this is from the Unreal part. Yeah, and I try to try to give the maximum quality of my assets actually. So I'm working too hard. Please follow and support me, and keep sharing my content. And if you need this, I will be very happy to know that you need my assets, and you use my assets. So okay, from now, actually for now, I need to say goodbye until the next one. So next one will be Rover 6. So it will be more exciting. So thank you all for giving me this time, and watching this asset making process. So keep in touch. Thank you.